Vandeham.
The following is the class on Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 7, Text number 23, given by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 20th September 1976 in Vrindavan.
Shri Gurum Vaishnava.
Translation. You are the original personality of Godhead, who appears himself all over the creations and is transcendental to material energy. You have cast away the effects of the material energy by dint of your spiritual potency. You are always situated in eternal bliss and transcendental knowledge.
तमाद्य पुरुष साक्षात ईश्वर प्रकृति परा मायांग बुधस्य चित शक्त्या कैवल्ये स्थित आत्मनि. So, we have to know the Supreme Personality of Godhead through authority, not by speculation. Speculation is no use. अथापि तेदेव पदाम्बुजद्वयं प्रसादलेशानुगृहीत एव हि जानाति तत्त्वम् न च अन्ना चिरं विचिन्नन्. The Supreme Personality of Godhead can be known by a person who has got a slight favor of the Lord upon him. This is the Vedic version. Nayam atma pravachanena labhya na medhaya na bahuna sutena. Atma, the Supreme Absolute Truth, cannot be understood ayam atma na pravachanena labhya, by becoming a great debater. One can understand the Supreme. That's not possible. Nayam atma pravachanena labhya na bahuna sutena. Not by a person who is very vastly learned or by a great scientist or philosopher, na medhaya. In this way we cannot understand. But one who is surrendered, he can understand. Arjuna is surrendered. In every case, he is surrendered to Krishna. As soon as there is any problem or no problem, he is surrendered. Not that when there is problem, I am surrendered. And when there is no problem, I am independent. No. Always surrender. That is Arjuna's position. So we have to follow. People are searching after God. They do not know God. They are asking this question, can you show me God? So many questions are there about God. But here is God, pointed out by Arjuna, a Mahajan, Mahajana jina gatasya panthya. Why should he not accept? That is our Krishna consciousness movement. Why you are searching God? Here is God. As Arjuna says, Tam adya purusha. You are the original person. Tam adya purusha. Purusha means enjoyer. God is not female. Sometimes they worship female as God, like Durga, Kali, and so many others. But God is Purusha. Everyone is Prakriti. Prakriti means female, everyone knows it. There are two things, Prakriti and Purusha. The Purusha is the enjoyer and Prakriti is the enjoyed. Or in other words, Purusha is the predominator and Prakriti is predominated. So we are Prakriti. The Mayavad philosophy is that Prakriti wants to become Purusha. That is not possible. Suppose a woman, if she dresses like a man, does it mean that he has become a man? No. Or a man dresses like a woman, does it mean that he has become a woman? Simply by outward dress? No. Purusha, the only Purusha is Krishna. That is very nicely explained in the Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ekola Ishwar Krishna Arasa Bhrita. Only Krishna is Purusha, is the enjoyer. All others, they are servant. This is the position. Never try to become the Purusha or the master. That is very dangerous. Always remain Prakriti. Prakriti means to be controlled or controlled. And Purusha means the controller. So here is the supreme controller. Tam Adya Purusha Sakshat. Not that you are made by some means, Sakshat, directly. Sakshat. And Ishara, Sakshat Ishara. Not artificial Ishara, Sakshat Ishara. So where is the difficulty to understand God, Ishara, or the Purusha? There is no difficulty. Krishna personally says that Matta Parataram Nanyat Kinchijasti Dhananjaya Aham Adidhi Devanam Aham Sarvasya Prabhava. So many things. Mami Vaja Prapadanti Mayami Tang Tarantite. Everything is explained. Sakshat, directly. Where is the difficulty to find out God? They are searching after God, making research or nonsense speculation. This is our Krishna consciousness movement. That why you are searching? You say, can you show me God? Why don't you see, here is God? Why, that like the owl, you have closed your eyes not to see the sun? Sun is there, see. Open your eyes and see it. The whole world is going on. There is no God, or God is dead, or can you show me God? And I am God. By meditation, by this way, that way, this is going on. Whole world. Especially at the present moment, it is a great disastrous condition, godless civilization. They won't accept the real God and they'll create some artificial God and become God. Everyone is God like that. No. Therefore, if you want to be benefited, then you must take the shelter of Mahajanas, great personalities. Mahajana jina gata sapanthya. If you perplex that who is Mahajan, how can I find him? That is also explained in the Shastra. Mahajan, Dadas Mahajan, Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kapila, Kumara, Manu, Prahlada, Janaka, Bhishma, Bali, Vyasaki, Vayam. So where is the difficulty? Mahajana Jina Gadasya Panthya. You follow the path of Mahajan, Prahlad Maharaj, Janak Maharaj, Bhishma. There are grihasthas, there are brahmacharis, sannyasi. Brahma, Lord Brahma is Mahajan, he is grihastha. Shambhu, Narada, he is brahmachari. Shambhu, Narada, Shambhu, Lord Shiva, he is also grihastha. Prahlad Maharaj is also grihastha. It doesn't matter whether you are grihastha, sannyasi, or brahmachari. You must become actual representative of Krishna. That is Mahajan. And that is also not very difficult. How you can become representative of Krishna? That is explained by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. हमारा गए गुरु है तारो यही देश जारे दाखो तारे कहा Krishna. If you simply speak what Krishna says, then you become his representative. Don't manufacture. Don't be over prudent manufacturing. Simply to follow Krishna and his representative. Then you become Maharaj. Otherwise you are nonsense. Mudha. Namang duskitunam mudha prapadante naradha. That is the test. One should be very, very careful to follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never says that I am directly servant of Krishna. No. Gopi bhattu pada kamaleo dasa 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 dasanu das. Servant of the servant of the servant of the. The more you become servant of the servant, you are perfect. And as soon as you declare independence, you are rascal. This is the process. We should always remain most obedient servant of my master. Jasya devi parabhakti jatha devi tatha guru. Tasyaite kadita jhartya pakashante mahatmana. Then it will reveal. The whole thing is revelation. It is not by experience, by scholarship. No, revelation. Jijathamang prapaddante. One who has surrendered proportionately, God reveals. Jijathamang prapaddante. Tang tathaiva bhajami. So, there is no difficulty to understand what is God. Here is Krishna, the Supreme Lord, directly. I do not know why people are searching after God, why they do not know what is God. Just see. That means mura. Although God is here, still he will not accept. That is mura. Naradhava. And why is mura? Because naradhava. He does not take the process. He wants to manufacture something. Don't do that. Here, Arjuna is Mahajan. He is Krishna's friend. He is always with Krishna. And Krishna recognizes him. Not that because one is always with Krishna, therefore he knows Krishna. No, that is not possible. Just like I have given this example many times. That I am sitting here and the bug is also sitting here. That does not mean we are very confidential. No, bug is different business and my business different. And bug's business is biting. That kind of association will not help. Association means to develop love for the person. That is association. Dadati pratiginnati gujjamakhati prichati cha mungti bhojayati chaiva sarabhida priti laksa. So, we have to become associate of Krishna as Arjuna becomes. Always with Krishna, eating with Krishna, sitting with Krishna, talking with Krishna, joking with Krishna, fighting with Krishna, everything Krishna. That is what. Not a single moment. Therefore Krishna certifies Bhaktosi, Priyosi me. My dear Arjuna, you are very dear to me. Naturally, if Arjuna is always with Krishna, sitting with Krishna, talking with Krishna, consulting with Krishna, joking with Krishna, eating with Krishna, so why he should not be very dear? Krishna, does he remain with anyone unless he is very dear? So bhaktosi, priyosi me, sakhacheti. So we have to establish some relation with Krishna as servant, as a friend, as a son, or as a father, mother, or like the gopis, madhuryaras, friends. That is also conjugal love. Krishna is ready to associate with you in any way you like. Somebody likes Krishna as friend, somebody likes Krishna as husband, somebody likes Krishna as Paramat. But Krishna is ready. Somebody likes Krishna as son. So anyway, Krishna is ready. We have got these 5 relations in this material world. There is no other relation, and there are other relationships also. Krishna also ready to accept. If you want Krishna as enemy, yes, Krishna is ready. He'll kill you. But that is also good for you. If you want to fight with Krishna, yes, Krishna is ready. Everything. Akhila rasamrita sindhu. He can associate with you in any rasa, humor you like. Krishna is ready. Ready means that is natural. Because we are part and parcel of Krishna. So, the part and parcel must remain with Krishna. So you have to remain with Krishna in some relationship. Here our relationship is through this external energy Maya. The relationship is there. Although we have tried to give up our relationship with Krishna, but Krishna has not given up. Krishna is always with you. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddhese arjuna tishtati. He is within your heart. Why? Just to give you association. Now you are rebelled. You want to do something independently. Krishna also has agreed. All right. You do independently. But it is not possible for you to live independently. That is not possible. So, I will give you sanction for independent living. Just see how Krishna is friend. You cannot live independently. That is not possible. Because you are Angsa. Angsa means part and parcel. Just like this finger. Finger is finger so long he is with the body. Otherwise, who calls his finger? Suppose the finger is cut and thrown in the street, who cares for it? The finger is important so long it is with the body. Similarly, we are always with Krishna, indirectly or directly. But here Arjuna says sakshat, direct. But we are forced to accept Krishna indirect. Maya. Like Arjuna is Maya Buddhasa. He has no intervention by Maya. And we have got intervention by Maya. Therefore we cannot see Krishna. But Krishna is always there. Krishna is always there. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddesi Arjuna tishtati. Brahmayan sarvabhutani. This rascal, he wants to wander within this material world in different capacities. Sometimes he is demigod, sometimes he is dog, sometimes he is tree, sometimes he is fish, sometimes he is president, sometimes he is nonsense. In this way, in different ways, he is suffering in this material world. And Krishna is with him, trying to get him back. And whenever there is opportunity, he is asking, Sarvadharman parityajya, mam ekam sarva. You rascal, why you are suffering in this way? You give up all this nonsense business. You simply surrender to me. That is Krishna's ambition. That this rascal is suffering, so better give him good instruction. Therefore Krishna is coming. Jada jada hi dharma saglani bhavati bharata. These rascals have forgotten. All right, let me go and convince them, try to bring them back. Therefore Krishna comes. Tadatmanam srijamiyaham paritrana sadhuna. Those who are sadhu, devotees, they become immediately relieved by getting Krishna. And those who are rascals, they are to be killed. But that killing is also good for them. Just like father to some son, he gives directly Rasgulla, and to other son slaps. But father is father, either slapping or giving Rasgulla. His father. Similarly, we should not be sorry when the father gives slaps, and we should not be over-jubilant when father gives his Rasgulla. Any condition, that is divorce. A devotee is never disturbed when the father gives slap or the master gives slap. Tattenu kampa susamiksamana bhunjana ivatmakritang vipahum. So, anyway, Krishna is always ready to help me and to give me knowledge and to understand where is the difficult. This is Krishna consciousness movement. There is not at all difficulty. Simply because we do not take advice of Krishna, we are suffering. This is difficult. This is only difficult. Where is the difficult? No difficult. Simply, if you simply think of Krishna, you become advanced. Manmana bhavavan bhakt. Yoginam api sarvesam madgata antaratmana. If there is no expenditure, no loss, the gain is great. Simply if you think of Krishna. Manmana bhavavan bhakt. Where is the difficult? But we are so rascal that we do not take advice of Krishna. We manufacture our own ways. This suffering goes on. Mami was a prapadanti mayami tantanti. This is Maya. He is thinking that he will make his own plan and be happy. That will never be possible. The only plan you have to accept. What is that? Sarvadharman parityajya mami gang sarana. That is the only plan. You have to get yourself relieved from all other engagement. Simply engage yourself. Not immediately, first of all, you must ready. Krishna, from this day, I am now ready. Whatever you will say, I will do. That's immediately you become liberated. liberate. How liberated? Liberation is achieved after so many years tapasya. No, immediately. As soon as you surrender to Krishna. How? When Krishna says, Aham tva sarva papibha mukhaisa. If you are sincerely surrendering to Krishna, immediately our this material sufferings, why? Due to our sinful activities. Sinful activities mean anything you do without any purpose to serve to Krishna, that is sinful. That is sin. Not that in the material calculation, this is very good work, the opening of hospital or this or that, very good work, deity worship and going to the temple is bogus. You may think like that, but that your opening of hospital is sinful. That is going on nowadays. One becomes very great philanthropist, rejecting. They say, what is the use of this temple worship? The Daridra Narayan Seva. Narayan has now become Daridra. Formerly, Narayan was husband of the goddess of fortune. Now he has become Daridra. So serve this Narayan. This is a manufacturing, concoction. This is wrong. That means sinful activity. Because he has manufactured something. That is sinful. Therefore, Krishna says plainly that you rascal, you give up any other engagement, even if you think it is very pious activity, very philanthropy. You give up. Sarva dharma. Sarva means whatever you think pious and whatever you think impious, both of them should be given up. Because there are two kinds of activities, pious or impious. And sarva includes pious and impious. So you have to give up everything. Simply you have to become ready. My Lord, I am now fully surrendered. Whatever you ask me, I shall do it. Then you are liberated. Iha jasya harir dasi. That is Rupa Goswami's instruction. Anyone who has determined like this, that I shall simply serve Krishna. That's all. Iha jasya harir das. Karmana manasa vacha. By work, by mind, by body, or by words. One has decided like that. Nikhilesu avasthasu jivan mukta sa uchyati. In any condition of life, he is liberated. Any condition of life. Because that iha jasya harir dasi. Simply he is thinking of how to serve Krishna. How to serve Krishna. He is liberated. So what is there wrong? And what is the difficulty? If you simply think of Manmana, always think of Krishna, how shall I do? Oh yes, my representative is there. You take permission from him and do it. What is the difficulty? There is no difficulty. But because we are murha, naradhamas, we are manufacturing and suffering. Thank you very much.
Right.